Today, we're going to be talking about the power of the bell. Hi everybody, my name is Yuri. This is the Magic Sauce channel where we talk about facilitation for innovation. This video, I want to talk about this little bell. This little thing is such an important part of my toolkit. It's a bit like this. Imagine those video makers on YouTube, they show you like what's in my bag. Well, if I showed you what's in my bag when I facilitate, this is one of the main things I've got in my bag. So let's put 2 minutes on the clock and let me tell you about the power of the bell. See, this little thing is only about $3. You can get them almost anywhere in the world. I remember seeing these in hotels all over the world to get the attention from the receptionist, maybe somebody to help you carry your luggage upstairs. I don't know why people don't, you can do that yourself. Anyway, but these little things, they can just attract attention. Now, I use these in almost every workshop. At some points, people will be discussing, people will be talking to each other. Maybe there's a mingling activity, maybe people stand around the room working on different boards and it gets bustling, it gets noisy, and you need to bring the attention back to the front of the room. You need to get them coming back to whatever breakout room they're in. Now you can go and shout, you can go make lots of noise, but I think that's a bit rude and a bit invasive. So I prefer to use a little bell like this. They're very non-aggressive, but everybody can hear them from far away. So what I'll do is in the beginning, I'll let people know what the bell is for. So I'll go, we'll have a bit of a discussion. Whenever I hit the bell, we all come back. Or whenever I hit the bell, it's time to criticize ideas. Whenever I hit the bell, it's time for you to interact and answer some of the questions that have been asked. Whatever it's for, it's a nice little signal to people so they know what's going on and they can interact with you without you shouting. It's like you're almost putting the blame on the bell. So let's say you've got a 3-minute activity. After 3 minutes, rather than you going time's up, you just hit this bell. So it's not your fault. This bell kind of did that. I actually have about 5, 6 somewhere here in the bag, and I've given them to clients before who find this brilliant. It's just a very easy way to signal to people, let them know what's going on when you are going to do what. Of course, it doesn't have to be a bell like this. Maybe use those little, I've seen people use chimes. Maybe you got a little keyboard. Maybe you play a certain song. The thing is that rather than you shouting or trying to get people back in, one of the easiest ways to get the attention just by using a little bell like this. Oh, and by the way, online, exactly the same. I use this in online sessions. I just hold it near my microphone and hit the bell and people hear that and people know what's going on. So the power of the bell. You can get this for $3. To me, it's $1 million worth of value. So go get yourself your own bell or maybe another little device that makes any kind of noise to get the attention from people. Hey, thank you for watching. Hope you appreciated that. If you want to learn more about facilitation, hit one of these videos over here and I'll catch you in another video.